Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Social Blade for your YouTube channel to monitor the progress. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube, so we can then check the statistical data using Social Blade. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Let's now directly go to Social Blade, socialblade.com/your channel name, and as we can see, my channel has 1,089 uploads, 1.2 thousand subscribers, almost 800,000 views. Country, UK, channel type, education. The channel was created on the 1st of October 2018, almost 3 years ago, and the total grade of my channel is B-. We have the rank on Social Blade, subscriber rank, video view rank, country rank, and education rank. We also have the subscribers for the last 30 days, and then we have an estimation on how much the channel may be earning, video views for the last 30 days, and then we have like a graph to show the subscriptions on a weekly basis with the video views, and then we can go all the way down again. YouTube stats summary, the user statistics for the channel itself, and then the last 30 days, daily average, weekly average, last 30 days for subscribers, video views, and the estimated earnings. If we go all the way down again, and then we have another graph that shows us the monthly gained video views for the channel and subscribers. And so that's how we use Social Blade to monitor and track the progress of our channel. And so we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.